Somebody told me I may get canceled for saying this, but somebody came on here the other day and said, "Oh yeah, we're doing GenOps." And I was like, "That sounds like
You're missing s
you're pretty progressive there, huh?" Like, is there some it just made me be like, "GenOps doesn't sound like what I think you want it to mean."
Yeah, yeah. Um, we have this term LLM Ops, which, is sort of, I guess, like the ways to think about and the ways to do all of this stuff we're doing around Gen AI. And to be honest, like most of it is around LLMs. It's not still not in the video domain. It's they're starting to do people trying to do things with multimodality, but like that's still a little bit like future facing. Um and same with image generation. Um but really, like, a lot of the stuff which underpins this is MLOps, and even, as I'm sure you're very well aware, there's, like, still a lot of people who say, like, MLOps is not a thing. It's just DevOps, and,
Yeah.
you can go all the way back down. It's why I kind of wanted to say, like, software engineering best practices, which a lot of this stuff
Yeah.
is. So that's kind of one thing, like, the fundamentals, still really matter.
And what were some of those smaller insights?
Kind of I'm very interested in tracking, like, the extent to which people are actually using this in production. Every year it's like, "This is gonna be the year of the agent." I hear this now about 2025. And you put on a great conference recently around this and some of the use cases. Um, and it's still relatively, I mean, there are some success stories of, like, companies who are doing things, but quite often there's not enough technical detail to know. It's not like you're just like unleashing customers' workflows, just like completely unbounded, like let the agents
Yeah.
handle it. It's like, no, everything is being super constrained down, like as much as possible.
Hmm.
And so, yeah, it does seem that um, we're not quite there with making agents work reliably. And it's unclear to me, not working on a ton of these projects, like exactly where the bottleneck is.